love to so touch le tangazo zena dumbegi transportation in animals and plants ki ra ani part 3 gi video di tuginara so part 3 gi video nalola ni gi part thangshwe part di tagi so when you look at this picture ra kyorangi part de la tayo kapso you already learned about this picture ngazo di thodu chisa dangama respiration gi video nalola di gi part nalola kharshi dilana ani daytime la photosynthesis chigidu nighttime la plants undergo cellular respiration the photosynthesis la wake up so khare process of making food in a plant langira with the use of carbon dioxide water minerals sunlight and chlorophyll thone inkerangi sugar sugire foods the sugire la ani water the diwala minerals sania jibgire water se nalonia ligidwa so we see that photosynthesis chiwar tache in carbon dioxide oxygen is released out from the plants oxygen out do the thing as movement we see some movement of oxygen carbon dioxide sunlight and water minerals chigojiga night time la cellular respiration chungwe kapsoe that time plant use oxygen to break down the glucose and convert into energy to plant korang growth yong or it also remove carbon dioxide during the night time chena par didang ngegi dan deshe dinalo la kran tsugi khar gotsu lanara there is a movement like transportation in animals nalo la ani waste material re minerals re nutrients re food donzo move chiwa nangsing plants also need to transport these things required things from one part to another chine tringi joshi dikhana transportation of substance in plants the plants ki nalola transportation khandes yongore bes transportation kharda khare yongore bes la nal tangshi water absorbed through the root ta manjugi chudi zawegi ya tenche zodi lega dirwa khane thengolena from the soil and from the soil near absorb chigodi need to transport to the leaves la dogores kharche chidu for the photosynthesis to take place to make food remale ya chidangi ngajigi ya practice nalola daily practice nalola mi mangboji girwa chulu dirwa ani loma la chulu ya dang meto la chulu ya dine luksu dine dwa so di khalana di practice tinga jugi meto la chulu loma na la chi khala siyo di dine samlo na kigor de himane chuya absorb chingi di so di sulana that is mainly done by the root china ngajugi sa de la chulu dura ta medo ga la chulu na norre la gomarta ya medo ga la chulu na ko freshness don zura ja di do deiri majira so medo ga chulu chamgi ani there is no any right path and the door through which the leaves and the flowers will absorb this water inside dinde yomar then dijala that chena carbon dioxide enters the leaf carbon dioxide the leaf na lirwa photosynthesis chela carbon dioxide leaf na la enter chisagirwa dinde gi door the surve opening the kharevela na leaf na la we have stomata some stomata gyucherwa and leaf na la ya yongche and now the photosynthesis will take place and photosynthesis chise shola as a result from these stomata oxygen get released out as a product chera photosynthesis chise shugula the food prepared by the leaves need to distribute to all part of the plant remember yeah lomenal khala segodi not only lomagi I will keep it like this chishing chandal chashi chandal tigimelana food meona they will also die their cell will not able to function ra chesang ya food prepared by the leaves need to pass and circulate throughout the different part of the plants redimindo kharchechido to perform various metabolic activities life saving activities and so that's ta khala so khala soegi chagin zo yaleso ta these are maimba waste material in the yorba chishing nalola and waste materials also need to remove from various part of the plant the waste material kharda kharyore bang anzu 진달라 조도직 지르와 상 waste material 지식 나로니 waste material 디 당슈지 견조 활동을 했나 럽도스기 송소 photosynthesis 값의 waste material 디 oxygen 디 차그레스 thermal respiration chiyo kapso waste material di carbon dioxide di chagres re these are maimba waste material karulana 지신 코란즈기 동보 the bark of the tree right di tur 동보 the tur 되면서 칼라나 these are the dead cells 는 코가나 디포지치 데 신동기 동봉하나 디포지 코 tur 동보 tur 되는 waste 아니오델로 안주기 감통을 gum gum 지신님마 저지릭딘데 등도 donzo야 are types of removing waste and these are maimba ni nganzu 지가 뒤줄러라 니 가서래 매도 기 로만즈 마 자야당 돈스디기 참마 갈라나 양 코란즈 날로니 waste 좀마 remove 체 당 waste remove 치다 망보여 딱 강달 waste need to be removed from various part of the plant 레마레 디마 remove 차오라 지나 디 날로랑이 가르통고들라나 교란즈기 통고에디 가르레라나 오케이 지나 딘데기 waste material imainere water absorb the imainere carbon dioxide enter in oxygen release imainere food prepared by the leaves imainere tonzo changma from one part of the plant ne other part of the plant chila move chigwa di reshas tachena digi remove dela tanachik sidara kyoranzo gi video di post chije the di video di remove di kyoranzo go khadu chulanera slide di thama dosa shugulara after learning all the slides ra ni suranja back remove the chushodora remove the passive chador thandelang gi just remove ma tweni shar dinalola the remove the detail transportation in plants tang tenzu kimjen zuligira the transportation of water minerals and food in the plant the kidongi surebe human nalimana transportary khasa chelara ni kidongi di sure bain chisa khare path kharebe ra ta nalolan kharkardu red blood cell do which behind the kasere oxygen la den da ra and dimigi part to salamga the artery veins pulmonary vein la den jamba the chigojing transportation in waters and minerals in plant la ra tangshu se nalola yu chudi ya absorb chukut plant ki so the plant absorb water and minerals ra by the root with the help of root hair la ni chata root lana so tsawa diche ni root hair lana tsawa korangi kala ni yala chunjung mangbo nzela root hair la or ta root tsami badang root hair yebegi kebar di karolna kachugi root hair mangaine chuya jimye di karolna mangayor remare so dinganju delar root hair help in increasing the surface area of the root digi surface area di increase chigirelar kogi sacha sayajora di pargirelar remare root hair khaju mangane becomes ki se na manga jura that much absorption of water and minerals happens ra dijela the root ne ya chudang minerals absorb chisagudi it need to transport to the leaves to make food in the process of photosynthesis dichela we have two types of vascular tissue lana chising nalo la yama kidonge transport nge girwa dindegi tissue specialized tissue near transport chela di tissue di khada lana xylem and phloem la chawor china xylem gi laga de kalana it help in transporting water and mineral to the entire part of the plant xylem gi laga cho de kalana chuda mineral chising gi nalo la kidwe la ngedir ta china phloem di khare phloem gi laga di lome nalo la kala prepare chi sagyodi ani pa different part of the plant la pa kidongi di phloem gi chur la the phloem helps in transporting the food prepared by the leaves to transport to all part of the plant tadi nganzu gi de la soin ji chera ani soin di dirma anzo tawa chen tawe so la root hair di nganzu picture gi thola to sona dindir de root korang gi layer gi kana root hair do ani di nalo la xylem da phloem khranz la che de ne ra da china di gi part na sigwa na ro kyoranzo karthongolana xylem da phloem ni gi pargi ya goni kebar goni thongor ra san kebar karulana tangshudi ra ani xylem do shimbaina water and minerals are being carried water the mineral kidongi de ra whereas phloem do yimana only the food is being carried over here and dine kebar niwo dirwa xylem la di one way only re di par la sigda arrow changma yare ini phloem na sigda arrow ya da mani ge chena khala wala na xylem gi nalo chu ki go re chu di only from root to the leaves la pa ki dong one direction chi bu ki dong whereas phloem doji ma na two direction up and down ni ya dwe yo re lar xylem gi nalo la no end walls between the cell chik dang cell chik phala dosa gi sanjam masurin ro dinde yo ma re lar tong ba re lar open but walls na boundary yo ma re lar human phloem nalo la cells have ant wall with perforation la do chik perforation na there is a hole dinde gi boundary dun zu ga la ni hole na azu iga le ro dinde to yor dun zu gi che ni khala du ya ma twe chi ko re lar the xylem da phloem ni gi kebar sum di lar da thangbo function new direction sumba de la kola kasare ant wall yoda ma ye la di tachana there is another word called transpiration. The transpiration na khaniji lago re belar see. Transpiration is a process of evaporating water from the surface of leaves is called transpiration. So transpiration la dang transportation la dang respiration la den chingangboda 상마 파주 definition la kewayor. Namang azu transportation moving lagora nutrients da waste da don sama move chiwa de lagora transportation saji jinjing la transpiration la na loma gi surface kana la azu shingdong don zo nima sharwe negabla shingdong gi lome na lo chu yorba chu don zo pa langba la yurba na evaporation of water from the surface of leaf is called transpiration. Langba la yudo chu don zo langba la yudo da de la transpiration la de process de la the transpiration na career chene theory. So the waters on the leaves are evaporating. If there is no water left in the leaf will get dry up and they will no longer perform the function of photosynthesis. Chena konsu shigiribe photosynthesis yungu marwe na mare. The photosynthesis need to take place from time to time. Ta chena kharchudu loma gi ta chugodu loma la. Lome na yugyo chudi lagi la from time to time la lagi la ni lome na lo chu mutun le or photosynthesis mutun chura. Chena dinde kapso kharchidu nang hanzo pene chena khai na lo juice tungwe kapso nganzu gi khan na lo la juice dia le la kharchir nganzu gi we pull up nya jibgir mare digane chikbe chigyang due to the transpiration chungwa songjang lome gi na lo la yesha gi water dunzo evaporate chawa songjang the suction pool is generated. The digapso suction pool ji yungures SUCTION suction pool ledo temba anji juice straw gi yuji juice ya temba nangshin dinde gi pool ji generate chigirdas ngama megyo ji ligirdas dinde pool chiwa na khachi gire ani chawa nalo la yesha gi chudunzo ingyuna chidani chudi ya gela ya dumaro ko against gravity dumaro with gravity ko ma thurla phabgiro yimene thanda transpiration chunggewa songjang rangsingi lome nalo la chunyungyu yodu ni higher concentration chumangbo isasajene chunyungyu isasajela chudiya tengirela de la suction pool lad lagor. So this suction pool help in pulling up the water to great height in the tall trees sa chena suction pool yowa sona ni kharchigire yarka tuzula ngazo shingdong dine damna dewana sibu shiudwa cool dwa sang coolness de lagor shingdola gyumje chikdi shadow yor shingdong la loma yore loma ngazo le shadow creature so ngazo cool samba le dejora gyumje niwo dikhalana suction pool chiwe negabla khachugolana ta se nalogi chudi ya tengora se nalogi underground water sama khalana chidani cold in nature ko thangmuyor sa thangmuyi deni ko shingdong dinya tenruya songja ani khachugore this coolness bring effect in us. Some pulling up of water from the ground help in bringing coolness to the plant. The part de la sigda transpiration gi part de la sigda so that the surface of leaf now the small opening on the underside of leaves are called stomata ne ya chudun evaporate chaduda that in the evaporate chayo kapso khachidu water evaporate from the leaf surface tiche leaf la chumutun dela water travels through the plant and waters are being absorbed by the root with the help of suction pull. Chaza. That is what you have learned. Conclusion. The most animals, in the most of the animals, the blood that circulate in the body distribute food and oxygen to different cells of the body. 당아주 semje 나로라 semje 망che 나로라 아니 수부 나로라 파주 디스트리뷰트 체 칼라 임바이네레 오크시젠 임바이네 웨스트 저 파주 키에 랭게 조디 수치고나 블러드 기치고레라 circulatory chena human circulatory system yama kiela transport chingena susudu there is a heart and blood vessel and blood is there human na imbainala in human blood flows through the arteries and veins and the heart act as a pumping organ so human gi nalo la imana an tha du yuksa gi path the path through which blood flows is known as blood vessels na near arteries and veins yorelar and heart gi la khalana it act as a pumping agent ra subu nalo tha di yama dugo na chigla push uri chumar ko pushing ji kora this la chugolana heart gi la chugorela and blood nalo la yewa chewana blood consists of plasma rbc red blood cell white blood cell and platelets and blood di chushimau khachin rebe thakpar du red blood cell di chushimau khachin rebe there is a presence of red pigment hemoglobin in human heart digi beat di khazu rebe la na that is 70 to 80 ppm ladder bbm beats per minute yana 70 to 80 beats times per minute in adult tell heart rate la ora kamachi la heartbeat khazu chidu heartbeat la na contraction relaxation of the heart muscle di la nga heartbeat le ga ta chinet nga ju ida do artery ki function kare artery carries blood from heart to all part of the body that also the oxygenated blood artery ki la di ning ni subu ki chaje chamal oxygenated blood ki do veins ki la kan opposite subu chaje ni deoxygenated blood impure blood di churan cha heart la ki la artery the vein ke shudi anju khar ke shola na heart tang body part por ke shor removal of blood waste product from the body is called excretion na de ni pheje mewa di matem ba tha na la the excretory system na khar do we have two kidney two ureter a urinary bladder and the urethra chaza ani ngaju chimba na lo la ni cho khare yore there is salt and urea are removed along with the water as sweat ra ani ngaju gi chimba na lo la chu yore dine ngaju na lo la cha kashi yore concentration donzu dige ma remove chigo re la that dine fish excrete that china nya donzu gi in excretion de gade chigo re fish ra excrete waste substance which directly dissolve in water konzu chu na ma tang to gore birds insect lizard donzu gi ra uric acid in the semi solid form chira and minerals and waters are absorbed by the root from the soil dine yimache khala wala na se nanglo ne in chudang minerals zo root ki absorb chigorta thengortas dine the nutrients are transported along with the water to the entire plant with the help of vascular tissue called xylem gi gyuche water minerals nutrients zo chishingi yana chama ki dores the vascular tissue for the transport of food to the various part of the plant is called phloem tachina khala yama ki donge jora di lega de switch golena phloem gi chigirela and dinima tamanyo di a lot of waters is lost by the plant in the form of vapor through the stomata during transpiration la lomegi surface kangi stomata ne chudunzo ya ni evaporate chagorela transpiration yoga songjang it generate a force which pull up water absorbed by the root from the soil to reach the stem and the leaves singdong hangsa ringbudin la ya pushi de khabushura transpiration yoga songjang suction pull generate chogore suction pull yoga songjang chudi singdong ringbudin zawani ya gangbu move chela lela yorela pension nga ya kawado ji kan jik za de wale gangi ngala tenye josona na lela totura digana shire ta chena ngazoro jene dumegi chapter transportation in animals and plants dima chaware ta kyonan zu lengi di notes tere di youtube video di koni study chere ani dine thamadera khala na textbook ki exercise di solve cher